also I'll welcome our students from Keshav Murthy Bal Vikas Zuari Nagar. So along with the teachers. So every year they are coming in our fields, and this is their experience. So today they just came late. आज तांकां Noron being as a president of Palitwada Shetkar Association. My name is Rokesh D'Souza. So it's a good opportunity. Every year they are coming and they are learning something. And now I'll take them in the fields and show them they are already cultivated, but they are cleaning now. So that will show them, and their future is they are the youth. This is our future, and government is doing so much for cultivation and all. So future they can do something, and they may become agriculture officers or any in their life. So I'll wish them all the best, and the teachers also who always cooperating with us in Welsong. So हे म्हणून न्हू हांव तांकां शेतां वता आनी दाखयता की बाबा हेंचो हे वेलसांव शेत आज ग्रीनरी हितून वेलसांव दिश्टी पडे आनी हें तुमी शिंकीत जाल्यार न्हू तुमच्यान तुमच्या पांयांचेर उबें रावपाक जाता शेत करपाक आनी सगळे कडेन तांकां कळटलें कितकोन लोक काम करता तो. सो तुमकां मिडियाकूय तुमी कवरेज दिल्या त्या भुरग्यांक गेली आनी तांकां काळजोन तान देवर कर म्हणून आमचो हा पंच आहा बाबा रेमेड तो शेतां आमकां खूब आदार दिता म्हणजे कमिटी येवपाक आसलेली तें पावलो ना. सो तुमकां देवर कर कितें तेंगे थोडी फॅमिली तेंगे काम करता शेतां बी. सो तांकां न्हू आतां ती मातशें लेट पावले आतां ते रोंपताय तेन्ना तांकां दिश्टी पडटा कशें हें घाताय तें आनी आतां तांकां दिश्टी पडटा की घातोकच न्हू कितें कोन्न क्लीन कोताय. आतां आमची बॉडी क्लीन कोताय उदक न्हांवताय कापडे मुदाक कोताय आनी बॉडी आमची क्लीन दवरताय हेल्थ वायज. तेच भाशेन आतां शेतां लागली सो तेंचे आमी परामर्श घेवपाक जाय. तांकां क्लिननेस जाय तेंचें तें तोंड दुसरें तोंड येता तें काडूंक जाय. सो ते भाशेन दवरलें जाल्यार पीक बरी जाता ही तांकां आमी दाखोवपाक सोदताय. तुमी पळयलां डॉन फादर ते सारके ते भाशेन ते सारके डिपली गेलो आहाय त्या भुरग्यांक घेवन कोताय आनी आज कितले तुमी तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी दिश्टी पडटा भुरगीं कितलीं शेतान देंवताय बारा एलोंग विथ द टिचर्स बिकॉज दे आर शोईंग द इंट्रस्ट. सो आमकां दिसता मुखार फ्युचराक भुरगीं जायतो आमच्या सोसायटीक कितें तरी शेता पासून कोतली हें म्हाका दिसता.
Disha from Keshav Murthy Bal Vikas Mandir, and today we have got the opportunity to bring the students to this field in Velsang. I would like to thank sir for giving us the opportunity. So as we all know that farming is a very important occupation in Goa, and as we can see that it is declining day by day. So this is a very good opportunity for our students to learn about farming, and also they will learn the efforts given by the farmers, to put to give us the best outcome. Also the students will might get some interest in learning about the farming techniques, and they might choose this farming as their career. So yeah, thank you everyone for giving us this opportunity.
My name is Vinita Dodia from Standard 6. The visit helped me understand the journey of food from farm to our plate. I will never waste food again by seeing the effort involved in growing it. Thank you.
I am Shraddha and I am from class 7. We learn about irrigation and methods of farming. We'll walk with farmers and unforgettable memories. Thank you.
Anvidarshan Vasavi and I am studying in standard 7. आज आम्ही फार्म विजिट करपाक येयल्ली आनी आमकां खूब सारे न्यू टॅक्निक्स पळोवपाक मेळ्ळे लायक सोईंग द क्रॉप्स एंड क्लिनींग द क्रॉप एंड न्यू खूब सारे आमकां अमेझींग जालें आमी एन्जॉय केलें हें फार्म एंड थँक्यू.
My name is Vian. I came from Bal Vikas, Keshav Murthy Bal Vikas Mandir. I am studying in standard 7. The farm visit was very exciting because I learned some farming techniques and I liked it very well.
My name is Shweta and I come from Keshav Murthy Bal Vikas Mandir. Today, as per the new education policy, we are as a part of school kitchen garden activity for vocational education. Our 6th standard and 7th standard students have come here for a field visit to know the importance of farming and their hard work. We also would like to appreciate our farmers for their hard work.
My name is Himanshi Sakaram Kumawat. I came from Keshav Smriti Bal Vikas Mandir, Sangwar, Gadeshwadi School. I am from class 6. I experienced today how the food is grown in the fields and the farming tools. Experience from directly farmers is much exciting than learn from a textbook. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.